Hi there everyone and welcome back to BRM Driving School. Hope you're all doing alright. So I've got some quite big and quite fantastic news here, and that is next week I'm going to be picking up my own vehicle to be doing driving lessons in. So as some of you are already aware, it was about a month and a half, 2 months ago, I'd done a video saying that I'd resigned from BSM. There was a vehicle out there that I had of theirs. They were charging around about £1,000 a month, give or take, for it to be sat out there doing nothing. And I didn't like the idea of paying that amount of money for a car that I couldn't even use for driving lessons. So I gave them my notice. My notice period ended around about 2 weeks ago, and they picked up the car about a week later. So it wouldn't have been any good for me to be a driving instructor without a vehicle, so I've had to get up off my backside and I've had to do something about it. And I've been searching around, I've been looking at lots of different types of vehicles, and I found the vehicle that I'd be most happy using as a driving school car. My fiance recently got one herself. Her one's a slightly older model, and I've driven it. I really like it. It's really comfy, really easy to drive, it's quite forgiving, and I'm sure you'll like it as well, so that's why I've gone for this vehicle. So I will be going up to Nottingham next week on Tuesday. We'll be recording a video, so I'm not going to reveal it in this video. I will reveal it next week, so hit subscribe so you don't miss out if you've not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below. What vehicle do you think I've got as the new driving school vehicle? As I said, I'm going to reveal it next week, so get your guesses in now. And it wouldn't be possible to get this vehicle if it wasn't for the support of all of you that are watching at home, whether you're subscribed or not subscribed. You've been watching my videos, you've been sending me a message on my Facebook page, asking for driving lessons, and if it wasn't for all of you watching, this would not be possible. Because I'm not even joking here when I say this. When I gave my notice into BSM, I messaged all of my students and I said, this is what's happening, I'm going to be doing it by myself. Every single one of those students messaged me back and they said, I would like to continue with you. And that really meant an awful lot. I'm not even joking. None of them rung up the driving school and said, could you reallocate me to another instructor? They all wanted to continue lessons with me. So I can't thank my students enough. I can't thank you watching at home enough. And this is going to be really big for the channel because I will be getting actual cameras fitted to the car as soon as it's practical to do so. So hopefully there will be more content coming to this channel, because that's what I want to do. I want to do more content on this channel, and I'm really looking forward to what's going to be happening in the future with this channel. The reason why I've got the car now, and this is speculation from myself, I reckon driving lessons are going to restart in the very near future, because Boris has got his announcement on Monday. That's going to be like the roadmap of coming out of lockdown. I don't see us coming out of lockdown before the schools go back, so possibly some point around mid to late March we're probably going to be restarting driving lessons again, and driving tests will start again shortly after. So I'm really looking forward to the future and things getting restarted again. Hopefully it won't be too much later, because I'm bored sat at home doing nothing. I want to get back out doing driving lessons, and I know you watching at home want to do so as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what the video is. If you got any questions, anything you want to ask, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want driving lessons, link to my Facebook page is in the forgot what you call it, the description. I've left it in the description below if you're looking for driving lessons. And yeah, that's about it. Really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to showing you the new car when I get it next week. You take care.